Hello everyone, welcome back, and welcome if you are new. Olivia here with Olivia's Romantic Home, and in today's video I cannot wait to share with you 3 DIY, Dollar Tree, and thrift store French farmhouse makeover projects. So this is episode 1 in my huge Home Sweet Home series. During these winter months, our homes do not have to be drab, they can definitely be fab. So this series is going to carry us through the holidays, after Christmas, and into Valentine's Day with a ton of Dollar Tree and crafty decor projects, thrift store makeovers, thrift store outfits of the day. We'll even do some baking and cleaning along the way. We just finished up my huge I Love Christmas series. There were over 36 episodes, you guys, with 100 Dollar Tree Christmas crafty decor projects, 5 Christmas trees that we decorated. If you guys need to get your cozy Christmas jam on, definitely click on that huge I Love Christmas series. I'm gonna link at the playlist down below. So after you're done with this video, go watch that Christmas playlist. So without further ado, go ahead and plug in your glue guns, get out your glitter and paint, and let's get to crafting. For the first Dollar Tree DIY, I want to create a beautiful scrolly French farmhouse decorative box, and so I'm going to take these 4 scrolly Dollar Tree mirrors, and I just want to remove the mirror from each frame, and then I did go ahead and take some wire clippers and just clip off the little black tabs on the back. I am going to save the mirrors and the little backing for another project. You guys know I love to repurpose and reuse my little craft stash supplies. So I'm also taking 4 of these paint sticks. You can find them free at Walmart, and I did paint them with some chalk paint, and I want to go ahead and cut them to fit the size of the mirror. I actually cut them a little bit smaller. I want to give this little faux lantern some stability, and so I'm going to take some E6000 glue, and I want to run E6000 glue on the back of this frame. It's going to be on the inside backing part, and so you're just going to gently run it down the frame. The E6000 glue does come out rather fast, and you don't need a whole super ton of it. And after you're done using it, you want to go ahead and pop that cap back on. Just a little tip. Now you can see I'm also using hot glue. The hot glue is going to help this temporarily stick, and the E6000 glue is going to help it permanently stick. So here's just my little piece of paint stick, and that is going to give my frame something to adhere to the other frame. So again, I'm just running the E6000 glue down the inside of my little frame, and then adding some hot glue for it to get that good temporary hold. And these little paint sticks actually held on to these frames rather well. Now, if you guys can't find the scrolly mirrors at Dollar Tree, they also have little scrolly frames at Walmart, I noticed. So definitely check that out if you guys really are just having to have this scrolly frame, or you could just use a plain frame and paint it white and add some little designs to it. So here is the other ones. You're going to do 2 of the frames adding the paint sticks to, and the other 2 frames you're going to leave plain because you want the frames to be able to glue to each frame. And so once you have that finished, you can go ahead and just use a little towel to kind of dab up any extra glue. So here you can see on each side you've got your paint sticks, and those are going to be facing opposite each other, and then the ones without the paint sticks are going to be facing towards each other. So now I'm just going to go ahead and attach my little frames all together to make my little faux lantern piece. I'm adding E6000 glue down to the side and then some hot glue as well. And I'm adhering this to the side where the little paint sticks are. And then I'm going to go ahead and run it down the edge of this open end, and then some hot glue on top of the E6000 glue. This is just kind of a little secret recipe to really get things to stay. And then here is the other frame with the paint sticks on it. Those paint sticks are giving you a flat edge to adhere to because these scrolly frames are not flat. So it just takes a little bit of work here, but it's well worth it in the end. And then I'm just going to go ahead and for this last piece, I need to work rather quickly because I'm going to glue it both at the same time. So I'm adding the E6000 glue to both sides. Don't forget to pop the lid on your E6000 glue. You guys will thank me because it likes to gush out of the tube. I found that out the hard way as well. And I'm just adding some hot glue again for that quick fix. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this Dollar Tree Let It Snow sign. I just want a little base because I'm going to create a nativity setting for this little lantern piece, and I went ahead and popped the Let It Snow galvanized letters off and also the hanger. And I'm just going to pop it on here because I may change my mind. I didn't really want to glue it down. Now Dollar Tree sells packages of raffia. They come 3 to a pack in their crafting section, and I'm going to use one little bundle here. I'm just going to unfurl it. I'm going to put it in the base of my little faux French farmhouse lantern here, and I want to add Mary, Joseph, and baby Jesus and some animals to the center part of my little faux lantern. I thought that would be really sweet, and I even think I'm going to go back and add some fairy lights underneath. That way I can turn it on and it can just kind of glow in my kitchen. I want to put this by my coffee station just to look forward to the holidays, and it's just such a peaceful way to wake up in the morning to see my little nativity. So here it is. I added some wise men and the shepherd to the outside here. Sadly, one of my wise men bit the dust. He broke, but hopefully maybe I'll find another one to go with this set. But it's so peaceful. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited to share this Home Sweet Home series with you all, with so many fun, inexpensive Dollar Tree projects, and just looking forward to every single season. So for the next Dollar Tree DIY, we're going to take some Waverly chalk paint, and I want to chalk paint this cute little tray. So these trays are available at Dollar Tree, and they're not the most heavy duty trays, but they're beautiful for decor purposes. So I'm just going to take and add a thin layer of chalk paint to the front of this tray, and I will tell you, you need to let the chalk paint dry for just a bit before you add your second layer, but I did use 2 layers on this. I want this to feel very fresh and clean. Every year when I start into my winter decor, I want things to feel just very fresh and sparkling and clean. If you wanted it to be a little bit more rustic farmhouse, you could also add a little bit of stain or kind of a brown paint to kind of distress it. But I want this to just feel very fresh and clean and bright. I really like things to feel really bright, I guess, in the winter, kind of that just bright winter wonderland. And I want to have the option to add different decor pieces to this if I want to go glam or if I want to go Frenchy or just whatnot. So here it is. I added a beautiful scrolly plate that I found at the thrift store with my hot cup of coffee, and I just feel like it's so peaceful and winter wonderland white here. Comment and let me know what you guys think. I also added in a couple pieces of banana bread. I did make some yesterday, and it is so delicious and cozy. Such a wonderful winter treat. So for the next DIY, I'm going to repurpose and reuse these cute little thrift store candles. They were great with the green through the Christmas season, but again, I want to give them that fresh, clean, sparkling coat of paint. So I'm going to use some of this white Waverly chalk paint just to really jazz them up a bit and give me kind of a blank canvas. I want to go in probably and add a little bit of bling or even some ribbon and bows to it, but I wanted to go ahead and start out with this bit of white chalk paint. Now these are fake candles. They're just some little candles that I found at the thrift store that are battery operated, and again, I loved them green for Christmas, but I'm wanting to go just for kind of a more cozy fresh winter white look. So here they are after adding 2 coats of paint, and I think that I want to go back in with a little bit of brown paint maybe, or maybe some stain and accent the bit of scrolly design that is in there. I just added them to some thrift store candlesticks, and here is that cozy hot cup of coffee. Oh my goodness, I love waking up in the morning and having just a nice cozy cup of coffee and lighting a candle.
It just gives me those fun, cozy vibes, and it gets me started on my day. And so I'll tell you what, you guys, I'm really looking forward to this season with you guys. I know winter can kind of seem just like a little bit dreary, but I want to make this winter really special. I want to make it have a bit of peace and hope to it. I think winter is fun because it's that time where you can kind of nest up and just begin to tidy up different little spaces in your house and know that spring is right around the corner. But just to give your house some love, I call it romancing my home. So just going through and decluttering and painting things, giving them a nice coat of fresh white paint or whatever paint you love, and just tidying things up and getting out those cozy candles and maybe some hot cup of tea or coffee or hot cocoa, getting out some board games with your loved ones. I think that's a really special time. And so also just looking forward to Christmas because Christmas is still right around the corner. Comment and let me know which one was your favorite DIY as always, and which one will you be recreating. I'm so excited to share this new bit of goodies and this new Home Sweet Home season with you guys.
Okay, you guys, so here is my outfit of the day. I just have this cozy pink sweater paired with these little black jeans. I found them at the Goodwill in Denver when Mr. Romantic and I went shopping. And then my little black boots. I thought those were cute. It's super cold today, so I had to do a really cozy sweater. And then I just have my little TJ Maxx, these little dangled tassel earrings. So there you guys have it. Just a cozy winter outfit with a sweater, some jeans, and boots. Love y'all. So thank you all so much for joining me on another fun and fabulous crafty decor adventure. Again, this is episode 1 in my huge Home Sweet Home series. We are going to romance our homes through the holidays, after Christmas, and into the New Year's with a ton of Dollar Tree crafty decor projects, thrift store makeovers, thrift store outfits of the day, and even some cleaning and baking along the way. It is a total blessing and an honor to have you all here. I feel like crafting and decorating is so good for your heart and soul, so definitely keep up the good work. And I also love to see what you guys are up to with all of your beautiful projects you're sharing with me on my Olivia's Romantic Home Facebook group page. Pop over there, request to join, and you guys can start posting all of your beautiful projects and home decor over there. I also have an Olivia's Romantic Home Instagram page. Definitely check that out. I do a good morning coffee with you guys every morning on my Instagram story, and I share with you guys just behind the scenes of my crafty, crazy mama little life, as crazy as a crafty mama can be. So also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I would love to have you. Subscribing is totally free. Click on the subscribe button. There's a little bell that will update you every time I post a new video. So you guys look forward to making our homes go from a little bit drab to totally fab in these winter months. We're going to be cozy and crafty and glam and go for Valentine's. It is just going to be so much fun. I can't wait to share all these projects with you guys. So thank you guys again. I'm hugging all of you so tight. I cannot wait to share the next video with you guys. Until next time, we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.